Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can start your own blog website and you can earn a lot of money by sitting in your home. Here you can see this is an example website wpbeginner.com, and you will find out various tech courses. Here you can see how you can create a single blog post. You can write a quality content, and after that you must have SEO skills. Just you need to learn SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO. Then let me go on the SEMrush so that I want to show you the website traffic. Let me copy the website link, and after that just add here link. And this website is getting millions of traffic, and here you can see it has 4 million plus backlinks and almost 3 lakh per month traffic. Scroll down, and here you can see the Google traffic, as well as you can see here traffic from the countries. Then scroll down, these are the keywords on which website is getting traffic. So guys, to start a blog website you need a domain and hosting. For that, just you can go on the bluehost.com, and after that you can get a hosting package. Just click here, get started, and after that scroll down. Here you can see 12 months and 36 months package. So you can go for a single website from this package. Then scroll down, and after that here you need to add your domain name. For example, let me add a domain. Then after that here you can see domain is available, otherwise you will get an error. Then you need to replace your domain. After that you need to fill out this form as well as payment details. Okay, after getting domain and hosting you need to log in into your Bluehost account. Let me show you how it works. So let me log in. And after that here you can see a couple of websites that are here. Now after that you can install the WordPress. If you don't know how to do that, just you can go here on the live chat and you can ask them install WordPress for me. So the Bluehost team will install a WordPress for you. After that, if you have got hosting from another company that uses cPanel, so let me log in into the hosting company. Here you can see a2hosting.com, and after that let me verify this. Now let's log in into the hosting account, and after that in the services section let's find the cPanel link. Here you can see I have active package. Let's click on manage, and after that here you can see this is the cPanel link, and this is username and password to log in into the cPanel. So there is an alternative way to log in into the cPanel, and also there is a question from where you will get cPanel link. So let me open email, and after that let me search for cPanel link. Here you can see this is another hosting company from where I have got hosting package. You will get this type of cPanel link as well as username and password. Then after that here you can see now we are logged in into the cPanel. Then scroll down, you will find out the WordPress section. Scroll down, also you will get this type of installer. Then here you can see these are various management systems. Just we can install WordPress from these. After that scroll down, here you need to select the website for which you want to install WordPress. Then here you can select If SSL is not included, just you can go with the HTTP. And after that, here you can add login details to login your website, and after that your email address, so that in some cases you can change the website password. And also you can install some plugins if you want. Then simply install email again, and after that click install button. So in this way you will install a WordPress in your website. Here you can see I have installed, and for the hosting I will give you the link in the description. Okay guys, now let's log in into the WordPress website. Here you can see /wp-admin. After that, let's add a correct login detail. Okay guys, now here you can see I am in the website dashboard. Now let's go in the theme, and let's add a new theme here. Let me go for the sold ad theme. Let me show you from here you can get this one. Just you can check the official website themeforest.com. Here you can get this theme, and you will get various designs and layouts. Scroll down and let's click here live preview, then scroll down. Here you can see these are various blog layouts. Just you can import these layouts within a single click. So let me install this theme. Simply upload the theme files. So this is the sold ad folder. You need to extract that, and after that you will get these type of two files. Let's select the sold ad.zip. So it will take just few seconds for the theme installation. Okay guys, here you can see theme is installed. Let's activate this theme, and after that now we need to install the child theme. So again repeat the process. Let's go back to the appearance, and after that click here add new theme, then simply upload the theme file. Simply click on the install button. Now let's activate it. Now here you can see the plugin notification. Now we need to install these plugins one by one. Now scroll down and let's go for the plugins. Just go on the appearance, then install plugins. Now let's install these plugins one by one, as sometimes while we are installing these plugins in bulk we can get a critical error in our website. So just you can press Ctrl, and after that you can install the plugins one by one. So guys, at this point all the plugins are installed and activated except one of the plugin. Here you can see this plugin. So it was causing issues that I have deleted this plugin. Now let's install a demo. Let's go in the appearance, and here you can see import demo. After that now scroll down, you will find out the various demos. Just you can type the keyword for which you want to start website, for example tech and whatever. Now scroll down and let me find tech blog. I think this one. Let me click on import. Okay guys, at this point demo content is installed. Let's visit the website. Here you can see few images that are missing, simply you can add that. And after that, now let's go to dashboard. And if you want to change this logo, just you can customize this theme. Okay, on the left side here you can see these are the options. Now let's go in the logo and header. Then header builder, journal and logo. Click here. And after that, here you can upload your own logo image. After that, if you want to change the menu, just you can go here in the menu. Then here you can see this is the menu, and you can edit any of the menu here. You can select the menu from the drop down, and after that scroll down. And if you want to delete anything, just you can go here, and after that scroll down, then simply click on remove, and after that click on save changes. And if you want to add anything in the menu, just you can go on the left side and you can add anything. For example, you want to add this one into the menu. Here you can see this is edit, and after that click on save changes. And if you want to edit this content, simply you can go in the theme customizer, and after that scroll down. Here you can see home page, then featured slider. Here you can see these are the blog posts. Let's open one of the blog posts. And if you want to remove this date from the link, how you can do that? Let's go in the dashboard, and after that in the settings, let's go to permalinks, then scroll down, click on the post name, and after that save changes. Now let's reload the website, and after that let's open the first blog post. Now here you can see date is removed. Now if you want to add your own blog post, how you can do that? Here you can see new button, just click here, and after that scroll down. Here you can add the title, then subtitle, then content, and here you can select the category, then scroll down. Here you can set the featured image. And if you want to add images in the blog post, just you can go here, add media, and you can select the image from the media library, as well as you can easily upload image from the laptop. So if you want to generate the content from the ChatGPT, just you can go here, and after that create a free ChatGPT account. Then make sure that you have installed a free extension. Here you can see this is the Chrome extension that you must have installed for the ChatGPT. And after that, for the SEO, you can install a plugin. Scroll down, and here you can find various plugins. Just you can search for Rank Math, and install SEO plugin. Here you can see 2 million plus active installations. You can also check one other plugin called Yoast SEO. So this is also another plugin for WordPress website SEO. Here you can see it has 5 million plus active installations. And now let's create a new post. Now scroll down. Here you can see focus keyword, then SEO title. Here you can add SEO title same as post title, then slug, then meta description. For the keyword research, you can install an extension that is called Keyword Surfer. Just you can go here on the Google Chrome, and you can install this extension for the keyword research. Simply click on add to Chrome, and after that add extension. I am searching for a keyword web design service. Now here you can see extension is installed and it is showing the results. So how many searches for any particular keyword. So just you can get ideas and add these keywords in your blog post. And after that, so this will be included in the on-page SEO. For off-page SEO, you can create some backlinks. Just you can go in the SEMrush and after that scroll down. Then here you can see backlinks analytics. Just you need to get this SEMrush platform paid variant, but I am using free variant, so it will not extract much of the backlinks. Here you can see. Just click here view full report. Then click here on the backlinks. Scroll down. And here you can open one by one websites. And after that you can add your website link on this website. Here you can see this is the actual blog website and these are other website. And after that, if you want to know how many visitors you are getting in your website, just you need to install a plugin. Search for site stats and you will get various plugins. Scroll down and you can install any of the plugin. So let me recommend you a plugin, this one. Just you can install this plugin and it will track all the visitors that your website is getting from various search engines. And if you want to get results on real time, you can install and integrate Google Analytics in your WordPress website. And you will get all the results here. Here you can see a fully detailed report. After that, just you need to install Google AdSense plugin for the payment. Just go here in the plugin sections. Then you can search for Google AdSense. So this is after when your website is getting views. Simply you can search on the Google about Google AdSense and your website will be integrated with the Google AdSense to earn income. Here you can see this is the plugin. Now let's go back to the theme builder. And after that, simply you need to select the main theme. Select it. And after that, scroll down. Then you need to search for theme header. Here you can see header.php. And after that, you can simply add Google AdSense ad code here in the head section. So you will get the AdSense code from here. Just you need to create AdSense account when your website will be getting hundreds of views on daily basis. So in this way you can easily earn a lot of money from your blog website.